Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to split screen in Samsung A33 5G. But guys, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, firstly, you have to open the apps that you want to split. For example, here I'm gonna open my YouTube, and after that, if you want to split it, you just have to go out first like this and just tap on the 3 slice button here at the bottom. Now you will see it, and just tap and press to the application that you want to split like this, and done. As you can see it right now, it's already split. You can make it smaller like this. Now you split the screen, you can open the other application like this. For example, I open my album, and you can remove the position like this. Just tap on the slice blue button at the top here, and yeah, like this. Now if you want to delete this split screen, you just have to tap on the blue slice again at the top here, and here you will see a view option like this, and just tap on the X option here, on the X button. I'm gonna tap on it, or simply you can only tap on the arrow button like this at the bottom. You can see the arrow button like this. Now just tap on it, and yeah, it's done. So yeah guys, just it. I think it's enough. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck!